Hello everyone, welcome to BOXPUT. It's Vina. Now I want to show you a new Android TV box, H96 Max RK3566. Let's see what's the difference with the old series. Number 1, the chipset. This new one is the RK3566, which is the highest chipset. Number 2, the storage. It contains two. One is 4G plus 32GB. Another one is 4G, 8GB plus 64GB, which the old series don't have RAM 8G. Number 3 is the latest new version, Android 11. Number 4, it contains 8K, 5G, 1000 Ethernet. Number 5, the most important function. The remote control is with Bluetooth and gyroscope, which instead of gyroscope, air mouse. So, welcome to inquiry and customize. Thanks. Bye.